Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can compress any of your particular files by compressing them using WinRAR. WinRAR is a software that highly compresses your file if you want them to. It can compress files to a greater extent, which can save you space, memory, and time as well. So let's see how to highly compress your files. First, let's open our WinRAR software. Now, once you've opened your WinRAR, you need to select the particular file or the folder which you want to highly compress. For example, I want to compress this particular folder right here. Once you click on it, click on the Add button. Once you click on it, you can see this particular parameter box. We need to make some changes in order for this file to be highly compressed. The first change and the only change we need to do is click on the compression method. Simply choose it to the best. You can also tweak with other settings and options, like if you want the RG format to be zip or the RAR format. For now, I will be just keeping it to the RAR format. You may also explore other options, like if you want to specify any particular dictionary size, or if you want to have it split to any volumes, then you may also specify their sizes in this particular dialog box as well. You can also see these other archiving options, like deleting files after archiving, creating any SFX archive, creating any solid archive, or adding any recovery record, or any other settings. But if you just want to simply compress this particular file, or as we say, if you want to highly compress this particular file, all you need to do is just choose the compression method to best. Now, once you are done that, simply click on the OK button. Now, it might take some time depending upon the system. Now, you have to wait until it successfully finishes its process. You may also choose to background this process by clicking on the background button, and you may continue to work as normal. You can also pause it if you don't want this process to occur anymore. You can cancel it, or there are different modes as well. You can change it depending upon your preferences or your necessities. Now let's wait for this particular file to be highly compressed. Now here you can see that a sample video folder has been highly compressed, and now let's check out their sizes. Here you can see that this is the sample videos folder, and if we go to the more options, go to its properties, we can see that it is a massive 621 megabytes. Now here you can see the .rar folder, which is just 328 MBs. So this is the difference between a compressed version of the same folder. Now you know how to highly compress any particular folder using WinRAR. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.